So, yeah. Man. If I'm being honest, I was even gonna like shoot this video. I'm not even feeling like shooting this video. But I'm not in a position where I'm like, nah, there's a need to go to like me and I'm shoot a video there because like right now I'm currently emotional. Yeah, it is. But it's a good name. But I Nico, right? Shweza, yeah. So yeah, we lost against Stellenbosch. Vele about my penalties. There was a lot on the game. Vele, but I don't even think go to like. I'll be analyzing vele, but I'll be saying everything vele. Key point that's actually saw because it was a game that was very emotional. It was a game that was kind of boring, my call available, but after some time it was kind of difficult. It was a game. It was the first match actually this season Kaizer Chiefs available. Besides Santos, I don't even know against Santos. It was the first match. Somehow first half first half we had like Stellenbosch they had more position available. Damn, I'm gonna Stellenbosch they had more available position more than us, man. So yeah, we lost my penalties and congratulations, we're still in Porsche. And I hope they're gonna be winning this cup, they're gonna be winning this trophy available again. And yeah, all the best because hey, there was at last obvious best of like we're being on and not just best of it's last about best of loser against them because I don't know how many times it's like well it's shy and stuff and yeah today it is not that day we will be speaking about now our daily bread wara and as always I'm humbled and on the game I couldn't understand which like Galani because like ibhola besingafuni ukubeka phansi it was just like it was just a helicopter my guy like ibhola alibekwa ngaphansi sibone like ama combinations anca and the match njengoba bengisho ukuthi like first half it was actually boring. The main reason for that is because like besinto besi beloku imatch iba like nama-stoppages amaningi. Mr. Ref kept on making ama-stoppages amaningi and then that would kill the momentum and then makumele kudlalwa again ibhola liya phezulu and then Stellenbosch mafika liya phezulu yabo, so it wasn't even like a game yabo. It is not even like I think after a long time I'm not even here talking about what now we created many opportunities and then after that we didn't really score. I feel like it is kind of better like imatch enjalo that ukuthi kubhekele imatch yokuthi ANC ngoba lilepho bayenze in I'm ANC more than missing most of my chances and stuff nana ngibe mad but because it feels like even like wasting value your time available and it is a match and the main reason for that I believe ukuthi into eyenza nale match ukuthi ebore available it is this thing of like ama-fans bafika late stadium. That thing, if I'm being honest people, as much as like I'm not going to stadium available, but if I'm being honest people, that thing actually kills momentum available. What actually happens is that players mabazodlala like match there be a certain routine and each and every aspect of life about there be a certain routine okumele uyithathe vele when you're about to do something, when you're about to make a task from maybe on a school level, on a work level or whatever, especially with sports vele yabo it will be ukuthi they're gonna be eating a certain type of meal before the match and then after a match they'll be warming up and then after that 30 minutes 15 minutes vele yabo eyokunto abafike bamiswe bona vele imiswa vele match. That thing actually affects ama-players which is why i-match ithe masiqala vele yabo we didn't have like i-match ene-energy vele that much, especially makuyi-match ye-Kaizer Chiefs vele yabo nento ne-Stellenbosch didn't see like image vele yabo ene-energy vele yabo that much because of that momentum ebulalwa amandla ama-fans. So yeah, I don't know ama-aspects ukuthi kwenzakala ukuze abantu bafike late but yeah people let's do better because bulala like and this affects her and most of ama-fans ekhosi vele obviously and by doing so affects like into i-team yethu yabo. So yeah, I just wanted to speak about that. I just wanted to speak about that point of the game, and this will be another year again. So, what the players say to be all-star team, we are part of the all-star team, and Yeah, by the way, yesterday Mamelodi Sundowns lost. Only Orlando Pirates said, and as I said when I was analyzing that video, Orlando Pirates, that like this is a type of a competition where like, you are not expecting like a big three or whatsoever, which like is a win. It can just go to any of these other teams available. Into i-cup available, and it could be a scenario again as I said yesterday ukuthi i-team le winayo vele yabo ishavele iBhakaniya is gonna be taking vele into i-cup, which means ukuthi the next round when they're playing the team ezoshaya iBhakaniya somehow it has been into eyenzakalayo vele recently vele yabo. So yeah man, I just want to give also like a credit, as much as like I'm mad, I just want to give a credit to the players that actually did well for especially for a course related today. I'd just like to give the credit again to Nyambo Somkolo. I'd just like to give the credit to Solomons. He cried. I don't. There's this thing between like Solomons and Lilep, because when Lilep was playing with Solomons, there's this certain understanding about between them. I don't know if it is me or what, but my friends are manning, they're not even complaining about Lilep staying on the line or whatsoever available when he's playing with the Solomons, because there's this thing about Inza which is different available. I'm just I wanna analyze more from my matches which available. So credit to Solomons again today. And then another player who actually has like is actually always having a good game available. Pinda Benama missing moment. It is the only defender which I'm actually saying every time. Magazo kata in available with the ball. Give like na umesile wa win or defender. Oh Konika, there's this thing Konika which like I utilize those spaces, well those half spaces which were like kata in, and he actually had like a great game. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving like my credit to all those three players, and most of the time I don't mention Kunika, and I would like today to actually give very credit very to him. And then when it comes to my penalties, yeah, there was a lot actually going on, and then yeah, I understand the party like Antoine, and he actually did good for actually saying that, because it is a thing which will finish a match young, and then after some keeper. But also there's another aspect when it comes to this thing. Penalties right now, modern football, it is a thing with some penalties they are attending right now. We are no longer taking penalties as like okay, as like guessing before, but what we are saving penalties as a keeper right now by studying them. So like penalties I studied ukuthi okay siyabheka ukuthi kubani abajwayele ukushaya penalties lesi, I check ukuthi uzoshaya weliphi side, lo munye uzoshaya weliphi side about most of the time. So that is what was actually happening. I think like ubavuma Simba sebenchini abo bamtshela ukuthi okay most of penalties usibanibani angashaya in wara, and most of players asitha penalty for Stellenbosch it is who yabo. So yeah, and then when it comes to penalties, yeah, I'm not the type of a person who's of a villa judge vela penalty kuthi na sibanibani missed the penalty, but this is a cup game, and on a cup game it is not like a league which like we have another option which like who's redeem available. It is not a game which is open keeper calculators maphumile wafa you do or you die available. And Maurice there actually took very penalty very well, which will keep against the right side available, and what saver, and credit to keeper Stevens available, credit to him for actually saving them. And as much as he saved the penalty, but there's no worse feeling of like missing like the last penalty of winning the match, and then after that and then the opposite team say I win available. So yeah, that's what actually happened. So yeah, I just wanted to express my thoughts today. I'm kind of like bit emotional. It's gonna be a long week of Amapania. So right now I'm gonna be hating on Amapania, and all the best with Stellenbosch and Pasha. I hope they win this competition, because it seems like it is the only team about is capable. So yeah, I'm humbled. Thank you.